If you have a Volkswagen Atlas and you have kids that sit in the back seat, you've probably already come across this, or you may in the future, where this piece that holds the rear shade into position, piece of it breaks because they're over here, playing with it and messing with it, doing what kids do. Quite frankly, this should have been a bit of a better design. Volkswagen wants you to replace the entire shade assembly. We're going to not do that. I found this, which is an Audi part number. I will link it in the description below. And we're going to fix it by simply replacing this for a couple of bucks. To do so, we're going to start by over on this inside edge so you don't have to see it. We're going to cut a tiny bit of this stitching. So I'm going to do that now. I only have 2 hands, so I will cut that with a small sharp scissor, and I'll pick back up on the video. All right, it's like 2 seconds later. I've cut a tiny little bit in the stitching, just enough for this rod to pull through. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to pull this rod out. Let's see if I can get this. Just enough that it passes this broken clip. Oh, so you see that? And you see this rod. And you see it's out there. And we're going to take our new clip. And we're going to do as you expect, as probably suspect, and we're going to push the rod back through those holes. I got to pause it again because I only have 2 hands. And there you have it. It's about a minute later. As you can see, we now have both of these clips right here, or both sides. I think it's honestly I don't know what I did with the old one. I think it dropped, but to be honest, this actually has more material on either side, so I feel like this is actually a sturdier clip than the actual original Atlas one. So like I said, I'll put the part linked in the description, but that's how you fix. And in terms of when it's closed, it doesn't fit exactly in the groove. It's a slightly different shape, but it still fits. And that's how you fix this without having to go to Volkswagen and replace the whole shade assembly. Simply this clip for a couple of bucks.